Alright YouTube, today I'm gonna be doing a bike check on my FBM deployer. I thought I'd do one because I always see it on my YouTube, so fuck it, might as well, right? Let's see. Start off, I have some Odyssey Lumberjack bars with some ODI grips, not the long necks, but still grippy, digging them. Let's see, I got some S&M bar ends with the S&M XLT stem. Let's see, and a FSA impact headset. If you go down, I have some stock fit forks, still holding up, but when they fuck up, I'll just get some new ones. I got the new Demolition Momentum tire, and let's see, I have the Alienation PBR rim stock with some animal pegs. Let's see, I have the Fit ECCDC with the Fit C post and a Quammen C clamp. If you go down, I have some stolen Thermalite pedals. I just got them recently, pretty good. They have more platform to stand on. I have some profile cranks. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, profile. Let's see, I have a red line bottom bracket with a Primo sprocket and a shadow chain, I guess. Let's see, going to the back, I have the Odyssey P-Lite inner pack with the Primo balance arm laced to a Primo mix cassette A-tooth, and guessing that's about it, I guess. Just comment, let me know what you think. Peace.